How to use family sharing on iPhone. Family sharing lets you share purchases, subscriptions, iCloud stories, Apple Music, and more with up to 6 family members without sharing accounts. So, here is a simple and clear guide to set up and use family sharing on your iPhone. So, first of all you have to do is open the Settings app on your mobile device. Then tap on your name at the top. Now, there all you have to do is tap on the family option available. Once you tap on the family, you will be navigated to the family sharing. Now tap on the get started and follow the prompts. All you have to do is tap on the continue, and there you can see invite family members option available. Simply tap on it and invite family members via iMessage or email. Each invited member needs an Apple ID. Kids under 13 can get an Apple ID through family sharing. And if they accept an invitation, then you can share purchases and subscription. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.